That was quite a night. I could really use some carby, bready, fancy pancakes right now, but I don't want to go wait in line for brunch. I know what I'll do. I enjoy a fancy pancake as much as the next millennial, but I detest waiting in a long line for a trendy brunch, particularly when I can make my own stack of fluffy, thick pancakes with blintz-like vibes in the comfort of my own home. All I need is a simple mix and my favorite food, cottage cheese. This is so easy. You could do it sleep-deprived, hungover, or even a little drunk if you've already started with the mimosas. You're just gonna use the same amount of mix you always do. In this case, it's a cup. Then you're gonna add 1/3 cup of cottage cheese for every cup of mix, and just give that a little stir to incorporate. Then you're gonna measure out the same amount of water you usually would, but you're just gonna add it really slowly. So add about half, give that a mix. Add the water, little bits at a time, until you have a thick but still pourable batter. We're just gonna set this aside for a few minutes to rest, and we're gonna make a simple strawberry sauce. All you need, some sliced strawberries and enough sugar to coat the strawberries. Sprinkle it on, give it a little top. And then we're gonna set this aside for a few minutes, and the strawberries are gonna release all their nice juicy flavor and sauce themselves. Now it's time to fry our pancakes. You can use vegetable oil if you like, but I like the extra crispy texture that butter gives. Now you're gonna take 1/3 cup of your fairly thick but still pourable pancake mixture. And you can see we're starting to see some little bubbles poke through. Once you start to see that all over the pancake and the edges are nice and golden brown, you're gonna go ahead and flip. And you'll see these little brown bits around. That is not burnt pancake batter. That's little bits of fried cheese, and it is delightful. And once it's nice and brown on both sides, get it onto the plate. And just like that, you have a tall, fluffy pile of ricotta-like pancakes that you didn't have to put any effort into. I'm gonna top this with a super simple strawberry sauce, and I think you'll find it makes just as Instagrammable a moment as something you would have waited in line for. They're very good.